Easy grammar. Page 31. We're going to look at some words that are often confused. They're all contractions. Your, its, their. These three are contractions. But people often confuse your, you are, and your, as in that is your backpack. People often confuse its, it is, with possessive its, its teeth are sharp, talking about an animal, for example. And one that's confused very often is there, and there. They are, their possessive, and their location. See here inside of there? So we're going to do some practice and see if we can clarify these three frequently confused homophones. Okay, if I write it, you write it. So follow along with me. A, your is a contraction meaning you are. Your is a contraction meaning you are. Your, Y-O-U-R, is a possessive pronoun. It will answer your what? A quick way to check your choice in your writing is to say you are in the sentence. Okay, so that looks like something that we need to pay attention to. Here's a tip. If we're not sure which you are it is, which your it is, we're going to say you are. Examples, you're my buddy. Is it you're my buddy or is it you're my buddy? Which one is it? You are my buddy? Yes, that's correct. So that's how we know it's this one. Your sister called. Do we say, you are sister called? That doesn't work. So we have to say, your what? Your what? Your sister. So you are or your what? That's how we can check it. Could you use your sister called? Try it. You are sister called. Nope, incorrect. You are sister called? No. Okay, so let's try it again. You are. Your what? Oh, your sister. So this one's incorrect. Let's mark that out. That's incorrect. Okay, let's look at B. It's and its. Its is a contraction meaning it is. It is. Its, I-T-S, is a possessive pronoun. It will answer it's what? Examples. It's too hot. It is too hot. The cat licked its kitten. It's what? It's kitten. Could you use its kitten? I-T'-S? Try it. The cat licked it is kitten. Huh? That does not sound right. That is wrong. So let's cross that out. We could not use it is kitten. Let's look at C. There is a contraction meaning they are. There, T-H-E-Y, they, apostrophe R-E, is a contraction meaning they are. Their, T-H-E-I-R, is a possessive pronoun. It will answer their what? Examples. They're ready. They are ready. Their aunt is the owner of the store. Their what? Their aunt is the owner of the store. So let's try this one. Could you use they are aunt, their aunt? They are aunt is the owner of the store. They are aunt is the owner of the store. That's incorrect. Let's cross that out. That is not correct. Okay, there's another there, just to make things a little more confusing. Now, this book doesn't say this, but let me show you something. T-H-E-R-E. What do you see? I see the word here. When you see that, you're talking about location. We have here, we have where. Where is it? Is it here or is it there? That is location, and you'll see that here. It tells where. There, T-H-E-R-E, is an adverb that usually tells where. I'm going there. Where? There. So see it, H-E-R-E, H-E-R-E. There may begin a sentence. There are 3 magazines for you. There are. Place the subject at the beginning of the sentence. 3 magazines are there for you. You still use there. Do you see that there possibly tells where? All right, let's go to the next page and try this out. So we're going to be looking now at page 32. Let's try this. Write the correct word. If the answer is it's, your, or their, draw an arrow to the word it modifies. Tells what? If it's a possessive pronoun, draw an arrow to the word it modifies. Number 1. I'd like to play with your puppy. I'd like to play with you are puppy. I'd like to play with your what? Your puppy. Which one is it? You're right, it's the adverb your. So we're going to draw an arrow saying that your modifies puppy. Your puppy. My arrow went the wrong way. Your puppy. Your what? Your puppy. Let's try the next one. When you're ready, please push this button. When you're ready, please push this button. Let's try it. When you are ready. When you're what? When you're ready, please push this button. When you are. When you are ready. So we say you're. Let's try the next one. It's raining again in the northwest. It's raining again in the northwest. It is raining again, or it's what? Raining again in the northwest. It is. It is. So the correct answer, it's, apostrophe S. It is raining again in the northwest. Number 4. We went there. We went there during a spring break. We went there during spring break. We went they are during spring break. We went there what? During spring break. We went there where? During spring break. We went there where? Here, there, where? So let's check it. Yep. Location. We went where? We went there during spring break. The train blew its whistle several times. The train blew its whistle. The train blew it is whistle. The train blew its what? Its whistle. Let's check that. And since that's a possessive pronoun, let's draw our arrow. It's what? It's whistle. Number 6, their friends live near a beach. They are friends live near a beach. Their what? Their friends live near a beach. Their where? Friends live near a beach. Their what? Possessive pronoun. Their. So let's draw our arrow. Their what? Their friends live near a beach. Number 7. Do you know if do you know if they're learning to ride horses? Do you know if they are learning to ride horses? Do you know if they're what? If they're what? They're learning. Do you know if they're where? They're where? Learning to ride horses. Which one is it? They are, they're what, or they're where? That's right. It is they are. They are learning to ride horses. Number 8. When the bird hurt its wing, Grandpa took care of it. When the bird hurt its wing. When the bird hurt its what? Its wing. So it's possessive pronoun. It's. So let's draw the arrow. It's what? Its wing. Number 9. Van drank orange juice from its container. Van drank orange juice from it is container. Van drank orange juice from its what? Its container. So the answer is its possessive pronoun, and draw the arrow to container. Number 10. I think you're a very good sport. I think you are a very good sport. I think you're what? I think you are a very good sport. You are. Go ahead and try 10 through 15 on your own. 11 through 15 on your own, and then we'll check the answers.